there this morning to try and get on an early ferry.
In a sec you can. By the time it's done.
And obviously there's no traffic this morning, so it's now saying it's only going to take an hour and 20 minutes. So if we don't get on that early ferry, we are going to be there for 3 hours early. But as ever, it's going to be a great trip. We are there for 4 days. 3 full days if you add the 2 halves together. Little update, it is now 7:15. We've just been into Tesco. We were debating doing a shop here or in France, but we've got time, so we thought we'd just do it now. Got some Coke Zero, some crisps, some sweets.
Yeah, snacks to basically save a bunch of money in Disney, because Disney snacks are expensive.
Can you tell them something?
Go on then.
Your turn.
No, Dad has to tell something about me first, then it's my turn.
Noah is a load of shopping.
Okay, your turn, Noz.
So, I went to we go to the shop and we bought a grandma and a granddad and a McDonald's.
What?
We've just found out why we got here early, because this is the biggest queue we've ever sat in just to get into the ferry port. This isn't even isn't even in the ferry port yet. This is the first getting into it.
I have to tell them something.
There goes that early one.
Yeah.
Daddy, I have to
7
tell
o'clock.
them something.
Right, and now we are here at the P&O check-in desk, but there's only 4 cars or 3 cars on a bus in front of us. It's 7:45. There is a boat at 8:15 we're hoping we might still sneak onto. But it's been alright. There's a few people getting annoyed in the cars, in the lanes, and I think if we were trying to get on the 8:15 I'd be a bit stressed out hoping we get it, but because we've got 2 hours before our actual ferry sets off, we're all good. Plenty of time. It's all been pretty smooth. And we didn't get our car checked. So
I don't think they're checking any cars today.
No, but 2 out of 3 times before we have had our car whether it to go through the boot.
The fingerprint system, whatever, is clearly not on either.
No, they've turned it off, haven't they?
It's just busy.
Yeah, it's half term, but it's alright. I'm happy.
Straight through on there, pretty much. Didn't have to wait long. And happy days, he's given us a ticket to go straight on the 8:15 one. So it has paid off. Let's go. French customs. The UK one is not on for some reason. And that took a big 40 minutes. Hopefully we're plain sailing now.
We have made it to France. If you can see out the window, there's the French beach. This is amazing. P&O is definitely the best. We've done DFDS, we've done Irish Ferries, and we've done P&O. This boat is hands down the best. We haven't filmed anything on it because we've been chilling out, but we had a £10 breakfast that I should have filmed, so it was actually quite good. You got £10. We shared it, but it's not enough for 3 people. You got bacon, sausage, yeah.
1 sausage, an omelette, 1 hash brown, beans and tomato.
Which for £10 stuck on a boat is not too bad. We got some munchies and some Maltesers in the shop for £4 something. And then we've sat and relaxed, and it is really, really modern and nice looking, and it's been so smooth. We were literally the second to last car on the boat. We only just snuck on right at the back. But it means that we're now getting here. It's 9:15 English time, so 10:15 French time, and we still wouldn't have even set off yet if we were waiting for the other boat. So that's a nice little head start. We'll be at Disney by 1 o'clock-ish. Ready for a full afternoon. Right,
I need to hold it for a long time.
No, for a minute.
Okay. So everyone, this is all of our stuff. And this is the seaside. This is the seaside. This is the seaside of France. And we will have been on some Billy chairs, and there is something else.
Last thing now.
I have to show you. It's just down there, quick. It's just something.
Point the camera that way, don't walk that way.
So,
Alright, good point.
but I'm not
Noah.
finished. That is the machine. That's what I wanted.
And that was a segment called Noah's Vlog. He does enjoy doing it, so I might do a bit more of it this trip. But yeah, I can't wait to be at Disney. It's been, I say too long, it's been 6 weeks. It's not been that long. It is just gone 9:30, so just gone 10:30 French time. We should just be setting off on the ferry, and we've just got back in the car to get ready to get off. We are literally right at the back of the boat. That is the doors that they closed before you set off. Could not be any further back. In fact, just shuffle us forward to make sure the doors could shut as we got in. And from here, it's 3 hours to Disney, so 1 o'clock we'll be there. I cannot wait. We are going to show you later on. I'm not going to do it from now, but we've got this new bag from
So
Orbit
good.
Key, which is fantastic. And we've got 2 other little bags from Primark. And we are normally great big backpackers, and I have a great big backpack on my back with everything in. And this time we've got that bag and 2 other tiny little bags. I will show you them as we go around. What?
Where is the Tigger one?
I don't know. Possibly in a suitcase.
No, it's
It's somewhere. But yeah, we used them. We were around Chessington yesterday, which we didn't film. But we spent the day at Chessington on the way down to the ferry and tested the bags out, and they were absolutely amazing. So yeah, we'll show you them. They're a mini Primark one, isn't it? And yeah, I for one love not having to carry a massive backpack on my back all day. Anyway, we've got enough miles in the car. I will see you guys at Disney.
With the other line. And we are out. That was very quick. Happy days.
And I'll stray on till morning.
Woo woo!
Kids.
Hey Ash. Featuring Tom's beautiful singing.
Ain't no passing phrase.
Oh God.
Here we are. Hey Ash. Just getting the ticket.
For the person who likes the dashboard, enjoy that. Nice and easy, this one.
Oh, look at that.
Can't reach it.
What? I'm right close.
It's me. Bad grip. Bad camera angle there.
Little short arms.
And we go again. Woo! Go on now.
Doom. Sorry, I still on the Lion King. We are almost
15k
there.
away.
20 minutes.
It's red.
This bit always queues. This is the road into Paris.
Not too bad to be fair, it's moving quite quick.
Yeah, we're rolling along.
It's hot.
It's very hot. Some could say it's... No, don't say it's not.
I'm too hot.
We realised on the way down that our hotel check-in starts at 12 o'clock, which we thought was 3 o'clock, so we are going to stop off at the hotel, unpack everything, get ourselves sorted, probably show you the room.
If you've
and
watched our
then
vlogs
head
before
into
though,
Disney.
you will know this
It is
room.
the same hotel as what we stopped at before. I've done a whole video on the channel of like the room tour of it. It is the Ibis budget, Marne the Valley.
Dirt cheap, but so convenient.
Does the job. Basic, but beautiful.
And then while we've been driving down, we've just been debating, and you'll pass Florida, haven't we?
Yeah.
So that's something we need to look at when we get back.
Which, if you're watching this and you are or have ever been on your past whole of Florida, tell us, was it worth it?
I want to
Because-
know. Sorry.
Go on.
I would say I want to know the positives and not positives, basically. The positive and negatives of staying on site to not staying on site.
Because I do like staying on site, however, with annual pass, it makes financial sense to stay off site.
And we're not people that necessarily use that 30 minutes before, because it's not mega worth it for us, is it?
Yeah.
We'll prefer sleep when we're in America.
So,
Yeah, let us know.
have made it.
1:30.
There's the Ibis. It is 1:30.
There we go.
We're going to go get checked in, get in the room, and we'll see you probably in there.
I will say you've knocked off 45 minutes. Queues have gone down.
I'm a very good driver. Would you like to tell the camera about your bed now? You're not climbing up there, but what do you want to tell them about it?
It's fantaglious.
Fantaglious. Wow. This is the room. It's been half an hour.
There's no storage, but you don't need it if you've got everything organised.
It's got aircon, that's the most important thing.
Yeah.
Right, we'll see you at Disney.